So it's me doing homework. This is homework 7 of a bunch of shenanigans we're doing. Homework 7 part maybe 1 or something, I don't know. But this is my first video on homework series, and other than the other ones I did mispatch everywhere. Uh, what we're gonna do is basically I'm doing homework. And then I thought it would be interesting if I showed you how I do it because I do it interesting. I do homework in for different classes sometimes, and I don't focus on one. Sometimes I focus on one. This time I'm gonna focus on explaining too. So let's see if I can actually do this while being recorded like a jackass. Um, so I already did these problems, some of these problems, like this one, to the part B of these questions. So I'll just speed on that part through very fast. Sorry, that's wrong. X y squared t equal 1.5 is where I should start because I didn't do that part yet. So we'll speed run this one because this part because I already know how to do this, and this is for my benefit mostly, so I can actually explain it to someone, with if it's a random stranger, to get me motivated to do this shenanigans. So that's just derivative of each, and this just has to go with dt dy, which is y squared, and I forgot what it says, 2xy, I believe. And that might be tricky for people because they're starting off. Sometimes not, but gradient is annoying. So we're starting off this question now, because this part I already did earlier, so it doesn't really help me at all. It's for my benefit, not yours. It is for your benefit too, but more for me. So I'm doing this part now, where we're doing the dt dy of this dt, and then that equals a change in f, which is the gradient of f multiplied by some and this is a fancy word. I don't really like it. I don't really give a fuck, but rt prime, and the trick about this is rt over here. So what I would do if I were you is because I did 1.5 over here. So I would do RT of 1.5, which is T of, well, not that one, 1/2 T squared complex. Or alternatively, you could plug it into here already and start doing the matrices of all the shenanigans you want. Actually, whatever, I don't know. Because it's ultimately your choice, not mine. So we have these two, right? This is X and this is Y undergraduate now. You're gonna get confused a lot because X and Y is such a very plain term that I doubt you would get it first time around. 1.5 by the 3, and then you do a square of that because of that. And that is basically the whole Jimbo Jimbo of this shenanigans. And then we comma that by this section over here, which is 2. And then I believe this would equal 6 actually. That's why I probably got wrong last time. Anyways, what was this again? This is over here 1/2 multiplied by 1.5 squared. And then the y section is 1.5 squared. Yeah, that's right. And then I can do it like this. So I can really denote it very easily later on when we do a dot product. This is a dot product, by the way. And who cares? You guys know this. At this point, if you're looking for this kind of formal problem, then you have already known all that shenanigans. So what's next? Changing F, changing R, RT. RT is this thing, so it's just this thing. I don't even bother writing. Why am I writing this shenanigans? So I'll just say, um, No, at least this. I'll just say 1.5 parse this, this to denote that, and then we will start doing the shenanigans. So it's 1.5 3 square plus by t, right? T is 1.5 right now. So let's go like that. And then, oh shit, that's not plus, it's multiplication. Because you multiply then plus. Over here you have this big shenanigan number, which you can simplify a little bit and hopefully get an easier number to plug in later on in the calculator because you definitely want a calculator. Um, I hope the teacher allows a graphing calculator, just a regular calculator actually, it's good enough. But I hope a graphing calculator because this is torture. Otherwise, keep track of. But if the teacher doesn't allow it, fuck it, I don't care. I will do what I need to do to pass this class. That's like most humanity. If oh, but if the teacher says something like do this with the fucking hand, I'm gonna kill someone. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. But you would want to kill. You would want to not take his class. You would want to drop out immediately because um, actually, thinking about it now, maybe we should denote this to a different number because honestly, doing this is more makes sense for me because otherwise you might get confused by a dot product. Um, yeah, let's do that from now on. I will keep on explaining that. That's a dot product. That's a not dot product. That's a multiplication symbol. But it makes more sense that way. Actually, thinking about it, uh, because it does get confusing to a lot of people. I know that for a fact. Yeah. So I don't mind helping out in that sense. Um, especially since my graphic calculator has it that setting anyway, so why not? Let me make sure this answer is actually correct. By doing that, I mean going to Mac assignments and just plugging in the answer and seeing if I got the right volume for the question. If I don't, that means I did something wrong. Which means, oh, I got right. So in the end, I got like 60 something. Yeah. So I will never be showing the answer because that's actually I might do it sometimes because I'm lazy. It's something like 60 something, 70 something if you round it up. You know what? 68.234. I don't want to do it. Yeah, I don't think that's academically good to do. I mean, it's not illegal to do, so I don't see why not. It's not against the school rules either, so I don't see why not. But again, I don't want to do it. Now, I need next thing is to negative 1.2. Yeah. Because it's a school program, so they do random. They always change the numbers. They keep on changing for individuals, so it doesn't matter if I post it anywhere because it will be changed. But just because I think it's good to not show the answer and then try to figure it out, I am not going to show the answer ever in all this thing, I think. Instead, I'm going to put answer, and hopefully that indicates way more than just showing off what to do. Of course, if you're doing um, a lesson, you should definitely show the answer. All right, so now, now we're gonna do it a different way. Same way, actually, just if I have more than one number, the first way would have been a little bit worse than the second way, which is why I regret doing it that way now. I said it was better earlier. I lied. It's not. I thought it was better. So I lied. Sorry. Forgive me for I've sinned. Amen. Uh, No, wait, wait a second, do you got please forgive me for extending and I said that already. Anyways, let's go over here. I talk to myself a lot. Anyways, let's go over here. Y squared. Actually, I don't think it's a sin either way because I thought it was correct. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe some preacher can tell me if that was a sin or not because I accidentally thought that. Well, who knows? All right. All right. I don't know. I should not know. Anyways, t comma 3t squared. So what's the actual better way of doing it is basically plugging t over here. So like, wait a second. Did I? Did I do something? Oh, right, yeah. I thought for a second what the hell's going on. So this is actually t3 by 2, right? That's much better to do. Comma 2, comma, what's the next one? X over here. So 1/2 the t squared parentheses multiplied by t3 parentheses this. I'm not sure if that's right, but we can do a dot product of r by t, and then we can easily deduce that r squared 2 multiplied by t plus t squared by t3. Actually, thinking about it, did I ever simplify any of these? You could definitely simplify this to 5 and that's with 6. No, we'll see if that's the same answer. I forgot all the properties of um, what did they call these things? I forgot. I seriously forgot. Um, could someone tell me? I forgot. It's properties of exponents or something. Yeah, exponents. I mean, I should probably also do other homeworks on here to see like coding homeworks too. But I'm not sure if that goes against. Actually, that's fine. I think it's fine as long as I don't tell them the answer, which is that's impossible. Yeah. This goes away actually now. Even if I tell them the answer, it's fine because it is the main integrity is fine. I guess because I've seen people do it, and I know it's fine because they have changed the numbers around continuously. Um, so it's like 3t7 plus a t7, which means it's t7 plus 3. No, that's wrong. T7, 1 plus 3, which is 4t7. Huh. So if I have that, you see how easy that one is. Uh, actually I might not get the right answer with this one because I screwed up somewhere. So don't underestimate my screw ups because I think I did screw up here somewhere. Nope, I am completely right. Like, so yes, I got it right. Um, that's stressful doing it in person by someone else, right? So yes, that is now that's not the full answer, obviously. You need to do 1.57, which equals the A and S. I will not do this. Uh, I will not show this. I did it. It's the correct answer, I think. I need to actually now if you check the answer to see, yeah, I'm correct, but I will not be doing that. The final step must be done by you because I don't really like telling each other. At least you get to think a little bit uh, beforehand. Oh, right. I can explain this thing if you want me to. This is another homework of mine, which is A and B over here, but you're given x of this instead, which is the same thing as saying b, and you're trying to find s. Sometimes you're trying to find b of x of b, which is the same thing as b in ax of b. So that's the whole point of this question. And it's kind of confusing if you don't know what I'm talking about. That's fine. I think it's over here. Concept of this items. Well, it's how much I refuse to do. How much? Oh, it's only 15 minutes. Okay. Well, we can. I guess it takes a lot longer to write down homework. So next one is g of x comma y equals square root of x 7 x squared plus y squared. And this is supposed to be a graduate. Oh shit. Oh no, it's high D low, low D. Is it high D low D high, high D low, or is it high D high D low? Let me. I always forget this shit. Oh god. Quotient. Oh, damn it. No. I don't remember. So it is. Oh, okay, fine. I remember now. Yeah, let me go back to my slides. So it is low D high minus high D low. Great job. I searched on Google. And then low low. Or Lulu for me because that's how what my teachers did. Let's do dx and let's do partial derivative of dx dy because we're trying to get the g of this. So it is basically low, so it is 2x by high. Oh wait, wrong. Shit, delete that, erase. I'm wrong. God damn it. Erase it. So it's not academic. All right. Oh shit, this one actually I can't not show my answers. Oh no, it's still not academic problem because it is technically okay to do that. The problem is I don't want to show that answer because of my own integrity. AKA I don't want people to fucking just look at this and say that's the answer. How I'm gonna fix that? Because this is basically, oh, you know what? How about this? I show the first part and don't do the second part. And then just say you need to do a D of Y of that version. And then that is answer. And then answer. Because that's still okay to do either way. So I don't show the full answer either way. Let me plug into this shitty program to see if it's the right answer. I mean, either way, I'm still okay at doing it. Oh, wait a second. I should at least finish this part square. Let me squeeze this a little bit so I can actually type this in here. X squared of 2 plus y squared of 2. Let's hope I'm right, because otherwise we're gonna have to look at this whole answer again and see what I did wrong. And the quotient rule is always a pain in the ass, except for when you go to I don't know why this is not. This should be more pain in the ass than it should be. It's not a pain in the ass for some reason or another because the teacher is nice and it chose questions that are not evil for quotient rules. You can definitely get evil quotient rule makers very easily. I would not recommend you do that because everyone will kill you and everyone will hate you for being a sucky teacher. Yeah, they will hate you. They would definitely hate your guts. If you do that, because I would hate the quotient rule. That's too torturous for me. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about that because of the. Oh, yeah, I got it right. I forgot to mention. Maybe I should have done y instead, because there's a cool thing where if by dy over here is 0, so for this one, this section is gone. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What's the next question? Or do I have enough time to do this? I think it hasn't been 20 minutes.